The excitement around DJI's upcoming release, the DJI Neo, is palpable. With the official launch date nearing and a significant leak from insider Jasper Ellens, the buzz is only growing. Unlike the typical entry-level drones, the DJI Neo aims to bridge the gap between beginners and seasoned enthusiasts looking for a portable, high-performance drone. DJI is not just introducing another compact drone. They are poised to set a new standard in the market. Let's explore what we know so far about this highly anticipated release. A recent leak by Jasper Ellens, revealed through screenshots from an Australian retailer, has shed light on some of the key features of the DJI Neo. This drone is expected to deliver 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, thanks to its half-inch sensor and single-axis gimbal, ensuring crisp and stable footage. With 22 gigabytes of internal storage, it allows users to capture extensive content without the need for immediate file transfers. One of its most user-friendly features is its capability to take off and land directly from the palm of your hand. The Neo will also come equipped with quick-shot modes, voice control, and the ability to fly without a remote, using just your smartphone. It's expected to be compatible with the forthcoming RC N3 controller, and for first-person view enthusiasts, it supports manual flight with FPV and Motion 3 controllers, as well as goggles. The drone's advanced AI tracking and level 4 wind resistance will help ensure smooth, professional-quality footage even in tough conditions. Additionally, the DJI Neo is expected to work seamlessly with DJI Mic 2, providing clear audio recording without rotor noise. With an 18-minute flight time, sufficient for about 20 short flights, and an anticipated price of $299 Australian dollars for the standard bundle, the Neo is set to be a compelling option in the compact drone category. DJI is stepping up to challenge Hoverair's stronghold in the drone market, but instead of competing head-to-head with Hoverair's X1 Pro and Pro Max, which boast impressive 8K 30 frames per second and 4K 120 frames per second video capabilities, DJI is focusing on other crucial areas with the DJI Neo. The DJI Neo highlights a strategic shift in how DJI addresses user needs, particularly with its 22 gigabytes internal storage and DJI Mic 2 compatibility via the Fly app. Unlike most drones, where internal storage is merely a fallback, the Neo's 22 gigabytes suggests a more intentional approach, positioning it as a primary storage solution. This move could signal DJI's future direction, where larger SSDs might become standard across its lineup. In contrast, popular models like the Mavic 3 Pro and Air 3 only offer 8 gigabytes, and the Mini 4 Pro's 2 gigabytes is virtually negligible for serious creators. The Neo's substantial internal storage could be a game-changer for content creators on the go. Another key feature is the Neo's compatibility with the DJI Mic 2, emphasizing DJI's focus on streamlining content creation. By enabling direct audio sync through the Fly app, DJI eliminates the need for time-consuming post-production work. This is a significant advantage for vloggers and casual creators who need quick, polished results without the complexity of traditional workflows. In a fast-paced, social media-driven world, this feature enhances Neo's appeal to those who value efficiency and simplicity. Historically, DJI's Mini series has catered to this market, but as those drones have become more advanced, they've also grown in complexity and price. The Neo addresses this gap by providing an accessible option that still delivers high-end features, making it a perfect fit for creators who prioritize fast, high-quality content capture without the steep learning curve or price tag. The release strategy for the DJI Neo might reveal more about DJI's market approach than initially meets the eye. Although many expected the announcement on August 20th, DJI's silence on social media could indicate a region-specific launch, possibly beginning in China. This wouldn't be surprising, given the growing popularity of competitors like Hoverair X1 in China and the unique challenges Chinese brands face in Western markets. By focusing on a China-first release, DJI might be leveraging its strong domestic market before expanding globally, a strategy they've employed before with products like the Flycart and their agricultural drones. Thanks for joining us for this in-depth look at the DJI Neo. If you're as eager as we are to see what this drone has to offer, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay on top of all the latest drone updates and reviews. We'll be keeping a close eye on the DJI Neo, so be sure to stay tuned for any new developments. Let us know in the comments what feature you're most excited about. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, keep soaring and capturing those unforgettable moments.